In this lesson, we will learn how to work with AutoKey. To speed up our animation workflow, we can have Cinema 4D automatically record animation as we move an object. So let's go ahead and take a look at this very useful feature. We'll use it to add a twist to our airship as it flies along its path. So we'd enable it from our animation palette. It's right next to the record key button. So now with this on, you'll notice that now we are able to start adding animation instantly. And the way we do that is to simply go to a frame we would like to animate. So I'll go to frame 120. And now watch what happens if we were to go to our rotate tool and just start to add a bit of a twist to our airship. I might rotate it around to about a value of negative 360 degrees. What you'll see is that now we instantly have a keyframe created on that very frame, but we also have a keyframe on frame 0. Cinema 4D has captured the initial state of the channel we've animated and added that to our very first frame. And then it also saved our new value on the frame we were currently on. So that's how AutoKey works. You'll see that if we were to undo this back, if I were to just undo back to before we've set any keys at all, if I were to go to frame 0 and try to rotate to have AutoKey save this value for us, you'll see that it will not. So we need to be off frame 0 in order for this to work. Now we can use this to save a lot of time in our animations, because a lot of times we don't want to always go to our record button to save a pose. Sometimes it's great when we're testing out a gesture, and if we would like to keep that gesture, we can simply go ahead and record it. However, if we don't quite like it, it's just a matter of scrubbing the timeline, and since none of those keys have been saved, our gesture will revert back. But a lot of times you're in the groove and you want to animate faster. AutoKey is great for that, but just be mindful when it's on, because if you're not, you can very quickly start to mess up your work. What's great is that we have this red border around our viewport letting us know, hey, we're in AutoKey mode, so just trying to help you make sure you don't mess up anything that you've worked so hard on. So again, I'll just go back to frame 120, and I'm going to go ahead and set the bank axis back to 360 so we can have a nice little twist to our animation as it flies. So you'll see if we were to start it back and hit play, you can see how our airship revolves around the trajectory as it comes to an end. So that's a quick look at working with AutoKey in Cinema 4D, a great feature. I love to use it because it helps to speed up our work. However, just be mindful when it's on so that you don't have to redo a lot of work.